kids in the backyard, playing astronauts and rock stars. No one told us to stop it, called us unrealistic.
Hi, my name is Ingrid, and I welcome you to join me in raising happy, healthy, and confident children now, so they don't waste 10, 20, 30 years of their lives because they think they're not good enough. Growing up, I was the child with limiting beliefs and believing I'm not enough, as my parents got divorced when I was 9. And that's just a natural course for most children of divorce. And I manifested the same for my life. So when my daughter was 1, I was going through divorce. And I recognized the cycle and asked myself, am I going to wait another 20, 30 years from now for my daughter to go through the same cycle and hope that she's going to figure out her path of self-help one day? And I thought, no, we have these tools nowadays as adults to do something about it. So for the last 10 years, I've been raising my daughter, putting all these tools that I am learning still into action through fun games and activities. So she would believe she's amazing. She would know what to do when she's facing the obstacles and fear and sadness. Unless they have been raised in ways that empower them and encourage them, they might never get to these lessons till they're grown-ups. Once there's a life event, either health issues, divorce, losing a job to a loved one, or they might never get to it at all. So I'm welcoming you to joining me in creating this kit of fun and easy tools and games that children can use daily and naturally just soak in this information into their subconscious minds and grow to be confident and therefore successful future generation who are going to be the husbands or wives of our children, our bosses, our friends, our future. So if any of this is something that you believe in as well, I welcome you in joining me and taking it out to as many children all around the world as we can. Thank you so much. Here are some of the items that I have already created that includes songs, coloring pages, books, games in the car that kids make up and have a lot of fun with. So here's a quick run of what will be part of this kit so far.
Hi, I'm gonna teach you how to draw the hanging spider.
Emoji, you're annoying, saying what I cannot do. Emoji, you're annoying, saying sun is looking blue. Emoji, go sit down and make our dreams come true. By sucking on this lolly, 'cause that's what you should do. You're used to saying things to me that are discouraging, but then we'll never reach our dreams that bring us everything. So if you want to play with me, go and have some fun. You better change your attitude, and here is how it's done. Hey, diddy-diddy, diddy-diddy. Diddy-diddy, diddy, diddy-diddy, diddy, diddy. You sit and think how you can change the bad to positive, so your thoughts are neat and words are sweet and can do anything. Hey, diddy-diddy, diddy, diddy, diddy-diddy, diddy, diddy-diddy, diddy, diddy, diddy. You cheer me on and tell me that I'm amazing, and you come along and we'll have fun, and this is how it's done. Even if I slip or fall and don't know where to go, with your help I dust my pants and find the road I know. You help me climb the hill no matter steep or high or low, and together we can reach our dreams, so off we shall go.